Okay, I was just recording a video and I lost sight of Sophie, so I had to make sure where she was, but everything is fine. Sometimes she gets over the little hill back here and I lose sight of her and start thinking about the road, but she's okay. But what I wanted to show you today was a couple of things that I've always liked a lot. And one is ferns. I don't know, it's just the little leaves of the fern is just so delicate and pretty. I always like to watch for them when I'm out in the wild. And another thing is moss. These little things, I guess it's the moss family, but they look like little bitty pine trees. But it's so soft and delicate, and I've always liked seeing patches of moss anywhere. And sometimes it's like these little pine tree looking things, and sometimes it's a lot finer looking. But also down here is a plant that my dad used to call goat grass, and it's all over the place, and it's I guess it might be kind of like in the clover family, but it also is it's edible. I've eaten it for years. Daddy told me it was good, and I tried it, and I've eaten it many a time. Guess I'll really find out what the real scientific name for it is, but it's just an interesting plant. It has a little small flower that comes up on it, and the leaves are similar, I guess, in some respect to a clover. But it's one of the things that are out here and available for the wildlife. And if I could find another thing here, I was walking along a little while ago, and I found something that would have really disturbed Linda. There goes old Sophie girl. Let's see if I can find it now. But this was something that I wasn't expecting to see. And where did I leave it? Oh yes, it's a turtle shell, a very small baby turtle that somehow got killed. And Linda loves turtles so much that wouldn't excite her. But that's the first turtle that I've seen since we've been living here, and it's kind of amazed me to see it. But there's a lot of things that you can see, especially once the grass has been cut, and you can see individual things better. I just love it now that it's green, and everything looks so alive. Oh, Sophie and Rocky. I always have liked being near the woods. I just don't care to be in a situation where it's house to house to house and no trees to speak of. But I just wanted to mainly let you know about those couple things, and just let you see some of the greenery that's out here. Hope y'all are having a great day, and hope you have a great weekend. Oh, Sophie's found something that's causing her some irritation. What could that be? What is it, Sophie girl? Don't know what it could be. But I'm sure her senses are a lot stronger than mine. But maybe it was really nothing. What do you think, Sophie? What's in there? What's bothering the Sophie girl? Huh? What is it? What is it, girl? Huh? Yeah. What was bothering the Sophie girl? Show me. Yeah. I don't guess you will. Okay.